Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Latham Buick GMC here in lovely downtown Richmond. I'm Ralph, and I'd like to introduce you to this 2007 Chevy Malibu LS. Folks, it's a nice deep blue with gray cloth interior, 21,000 miles, LS model, 4-cylinder, automatic transmission, power windows, power locks, cruise on the steering wheel. Nice little car, folks. Tires are like new. Well, you know, you couldn't call them new. They got 21,000 on them, but boy, they look real nice. Interior is spotless. Got a power up and down mechanism on the seat. And don't forget, as with all General Motors vehicles, this car comes with the 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Engine, transmission, driveline. Very nice. Wheel bearings. It's the whole kebab, folks. This is a nice car coming with a nice warranty from General Motors. And it's only $10,995 with 21,000 miles. Please give us a call, 586-727-3115, and we can arrange for a test drive today. Thanks for your time, folks.